Hey everybody, welcome to the 9-step Go Big, Go Bold process. This is our bold patents, patented, if you will, 9-step process. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And this is the process we've refined over the past 11, 12 years of helping individual inventors get a leg up over those big guys and crush the competition. So this is your chance. This is your way to make it bold in 2026, 2027, coming up soon. I'm going to go through these 9 steps here. This whole article lays it all out. But number 0 is to actually get on this page. Okay, you made it. You're already on your journey. Step 1, the advisor discovery call. This is where you get to learn about us. We get to learn about you. Figure out if Bold Patents has the right law firm to help take you and your invention to the next step. Number 2 is attorney consult. You get a confidential 30-minute consultation with one of our patent attorneys. They will give you advice, recommendations, and their opinion, the legal opinion on what you should do and whether now is the right time to move forward with what you've got. Number 3 is to engage with our firm legally, becoming a client, getting that additional ethical obligation where we have now agreed to hold your hand all the way through the process. Number 4 is a kickoff meeting. Our attorneys sit down with you, the inventor, and anyone else involved. Maybe there's a business owner or co-inventors too. We all put our heads together and decide how we're going to plan this first project. Typically, it's a patent search, but oftentimes it's a patent application, and we put down all the timelines in place so you're clear on what the next step is. Number 5 is a patent search opinion. Our attorneys will give you their opinion on whether they think what you have is unique and non-obvious. They put themselves in the shoes of the USPTO examiner and say, is this patent, is this invention going to make it through or not? We give you the good news and the bad news alike, and of course, with a grain of salt, with that additional advising and consulting to help make you make a really good decision in how you move forward. Number 6 is a provisional patent application. This will lock in your date, get that all-important patent pending timeline, and give you up to a year to file a non-provisional formal application, which of course is step 7, the formal non-provisional filing. That will be the baseline of your patent family. Hopefully this invention will become more than one patent and will become a product, a service, a system that will produce great results and impact in the market that you're looking for. Step number 8 is the prosecution. This is where the examiners will push back, typically 1, 2, sometimes 3 times. They're going to find some prior art. They're going to find some previously issued patents, published documents, and find ways to kind of push back and argue with us. We will advocate for you, making sure you get the broadest rights possible. The last step, of course, is getting the patent granted. And that means now you're on the hook for up to 20 years. You're the one, and we'll help enforce your patent rights. All right, everybody, this is the 9-step Go Big, Go Bold patent process. So glad you're with us here on our website today. Take a look at this page. And of course, the next step, step 1, is to book that discovery call. So click contact and book that today. Look forward to helping you. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day out there. Go big, go bold.